know if that was a minute.
I think that went over a minute.
It was a little quick, but we'll handle it.
Oh, sorry.
Everybody. How you
Keep
doing?
going.
No, I just got done just in time.
Okay.
How you doing, everybody out there? Welcome to another installment of the Irish United Blue live stream concert series, coming to you live from sunny Springvale, Maine, and via South Portland. Very happy to have you here tonight. Very happy to be joined by these two wonderful individuals over to my left and maybe to your right or up below you, or I don't know how it works. Anyway, we're glad you're here, and we're glad these guys are here. Today is a couple days past a wondrous holiday of Mr. Hanzaraki has now joined the, what do you call it for 50?
Just the end.
50?
The beginning of the
He doesn't really need any names, but he's joining the club. And happy birthday to you, Hans.
Thank you very much, Tom.
Happy birthday to you, Colleen.
Thank you.
I'm sure he's getting all the attention right now, so I thought I'd give you a little shout out too.
I mean, doesn't he always?
These guys have some great music planned for you this evening, and we're going to get to that very soon. They are broadcasting live from the farmhouse in Springvale that they purchased a couple years ago. They are working on a flower farm and all types of exciting things out there, and have some cool sound set up to try out tonight as well. We might be talking to somebody from Blue later on during intermission, we hope, if they come. And if not,
Nice.
we'll get by. But in the meantime, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. We have 2 more shows after this, close out the 2020 season, and we'll see what happens next year. But we're going out in style tonight. Without further ado, let's get started with the music. You guys ready?
I think so.
We are.
All right. Then everybody, please welcome with all your hearts and nothing less than a thundering emoji roar, Mr. Hanzaraki and Colleen Rainey.
Thanks, everybody. Here's a few jigs. 1, 2, 3. Thanks very much. Well, yeah, welcome to. I can't believe it's Wednesday. It's so different from every other day. Irish Night at Blue, a long and proud tradition here in Maine, and we're very glad that you're joining us. And that was a set of 3 jigs there. The first one's called the Leitrim Fancy, I believe. I'm sure someone can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And the second one's called the Butlers of Glen Avenue, and the last tune was called McGurk's. And now we're going to do my new favorite song, which I heartlessly and, just shamelessly stole from...
Straight up lifted.
Yeah, from Barry and Laura Kerr, 2 absolutely wonderful, incredible musicians. And, this rapidly became my favorite song. It's the old story of the rabbit, the hare being chased. But in this case, she gets away.
Spoiler alert.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, I gave away the end.
Just in case you're attempting to heckle us, we can't read any of your comments until after. So make sure you get them in there. Work on them the whole show. You can just keep refining them, because we won't be able to see anything that you're saying until
all caps.
After.
We might be able to see them if you put them in all caps. It might work.
Why are you like this?
Sorry. Okay. Oh, this is called On Yonder Hill. On yonder hill there sits a hare, and she's full of worry, grief and care. And o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." And o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." Now a gentleman came passing by, on this poor hare he cast his eye, and o'er his box hallooed his dog, singing, "Ho, brave boys, hi-ho." And o'er his box hallooed his dogs, singing, "Ho, brave boys, hi-ho." And now she's gone from hill to hill, for the best dog to try his skill, and kill the poor hare that's never done ill, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." And kill the poor hare that's never done ill, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." And now she's turned and turned again, merrily as she drifts the plain. May she live to run again, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." And may she live to run again, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." On yonder hill there sits a hare, and she's full of worry, grief and care. And o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." And o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing, "Oh, brave boys, hi-ho." Thank you very much. This is such a strange thing, I have to say. You know, for starters, the last time I had a break from playing that was longer than, a week, I was 17. It's been a very long time.
That's like 5 years ago.
I know. Like the 80s was like 10 years ago, so that works. But anyway, like the things that go away, banter becomes really difficult, as you may have picked up, and it becomes particularly hard when there's nobody there and you're kind of just talking to.
I know.
I want to just talk to you because we talk all the time.
You can talk to me.
Okay.
I think the interesting thing though is that, like, do you know our quietest houses? Like, we finish those shows, and this goes like so many musicians are watching right now. So you know we've almost all been in this situation where, you know, it's just a quiet audience. It's either a matinee and they're just not chatty, or when we play in Japan, they're awfully polite. Ohayo gozaimasu to anybody who's watching in Japan. Good morning. But like, that's going to make even the quietest audience feel like uproarious and thunderous applause. So we're really just setting the bar really low for ourselves, all of us right now. And that, so like, even our worst shows, when we're all safe to move around again, are going to feel glorious.
I know.
And triumphant, I think.
I take your word for that.
If we all don't end up like crying under a couch somewhere.
Like we do on most days. So we're going to do a song now. We're kind of doing songs that there are not many songs that we've done before.
I noticed.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
But there are also there's songs that we may have kind of discovered recently and fallen very much in love with. This is one from Loretta Lynn called "Lay Me Down." And I'd like to send this out to, hopefully he's watching, my cousin LG down in North Carolina. I always think of LG when I hear this song.
Oh.
So anyway, this is called "Lay Me Down."
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Raise my head and I set my sail. In the eye of the storm, the belly of the whale, I steered put on the solid ground, and I'll be at peace when they lay me down. When I was a child, I cried until my needs were satisfied. My needs have grown up pound for pound, and I'll be at peace when they lay me down. When they lay me down someday, my soul will rise and fly away. This old world will turn around, I'll be at peace when they lay me down. This life isn't fair, it seems. It's filled with tears and broken dreams. There are no tears where I am bound. I'll be at peace when they lay me down. When they lay me down someday, so rise and fly away. This whole world will turn around, and I'll be at peace when they lay me down. When they lay me someday your soul rise and fly away. This whole world will turn around, and I'll be at peace when they lay me down. When I was a child, I cried. Thank you very much. Well,
You guys can't hear it, but so we are in one of our guest rooms right now because they're the only place in the house where the cats aren't allowed. So that when we all are able to visit each other again, those with cat allergies can safely sleep at the farm.
I'm looking at all of you, Rainies, every one of you.
I'm gonna start sleeping in here. But Molly does not like to be excluded from live streaming opportunities. This is really when she shines. She's most destructive, and so she is outside the door right now, howling, which you can't hear because thankfully these are set not to pick up cat. But I'm guessing that when we open that door, that there will be a pile of all 15 of her favorite strings brought as like offerings.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll let her in, but if we let her in, this camera, it's all
Forget
over.
it,
We're
yeah.
done. Show's over. So, no Molly Bloom.
Yeah, she had her chance. She had her chances.
Oh, you slept. Right. Hang on, let me orient myself again. Okay.
Yeah, speaking of favorite things, new favorite things. This is my new favorite tune. I mean, it's not a new tune. It's not even particularly new to me. It's just, you know, every now and then these tunes just sort of float to the top.
Mm-hmm.
This is the current champion tune for me. It's called The Mystery Reel. Thanks, everybody.
Did you do anything fun for your birthday?
I did. I stayed in my pajamas.
Oh, good.
And I ate a lot of yummy food. And I opened about 10 billion birthday cards. I've never gotten so many birthday cards in my life.
Amazing.
Yeah. In all my 50 years. Gosh, that's dreadful to say.
Stop.
But it was like the most amazing experience to go vacillating between some hilarious cards and some very, very touching and heartfelt and heartwarming cards, and then back again. And sometimes within the same card. Very funny on the outside, very touching on the inside. Anyway, that was really like the lion's share of my day. It was very nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
We should line them all out and take a picture.
Yeah. Just like you used to do with your stuffed animals, you put them in a big line. And
Used to. I don't know what you do with your days during the pandemic.
True.
But my stuffed animals are very organized at this point.
We are going to do a request, by request, from Colleen Rainey.
I did request this one. Hey, cheers, you guys. Cheers and stuff. Just a toast to all of you, and when we get to see you again.
Indeed.
I love this song. I stole this song and sang it for myself for a while.
Where'd it go?
I know. But I guess you can sing it. It's your birthday or whatever.
Well, I didn't write it. It's a Scottish song
Oh, it's so good.
called Jocko Hazeldean. Why weep you by the tide, lady? Why weep you by the tide? I'll let you take my youngest son, and you will be his bride, and you'll be his bride, lady, so comely to be seen. But as he loved, the tears down fall for Jocko Hazeldean. Oh, let this willful grief be done, and dry your cheeks so pale. Young Frank is chief of Erdington, and Lord Langdale. His step is first and peaceful, all his sword in battle keen. But as he looked, the tears down fall for Jocko Hazeldean. A chain of gold you shall not lack, nor cane to bind your hair, nor metal town, nor managed hall, nor palfrey fresh and fair. And you, the foremost of them all, will ride our forest queen. But as she looked, the tears down fall, Jocko Hazeldean. morning tide, the tapers glimmered fair. The priest and bridegroom weighed the bride, and day and night were there. They searched for her through field and hall. The lady was not seen. She's o'er the border and away with Jocko Hazeldine. Thank you very much.
Thanks for doing that one. Oh, hey, look.
Beautiful, guys.
Hi, everybody.
You hi, Therese.
Hi.
How
I
are
have
you?
weird hair thing going on here. Good. How are
Don't we
you
all?
guys? That was beautiful.
Oh,
Lovely.
thank you.
Yeah.
Therese,
Nice to see
Happy
your face.
birthday.
Thank you.
I literally
So
thought
old.
10 seconds before I came back off of mute that it would have been cool to have a little cake or a cupcake with a candle on it, and then me and Jody could have sang happy birthday in the background, but
Aw.
it was a little too late. So there's the thought anyway.
Yeah. The image of it is seared in my mind now. That's all I need.
Nice to see we're joined by Therese, the owner of Blue, which is the venue we normally do this in.
Yeah.
Down Portland, Maine, for the coming up on 15 years in February.
Mercy.
We've been
Crazy.
long time, a lot of Wednesdays, every Wednesday when we feel like it. And Therese has been a great supporter of Irish music and all the music I bring in there from different traditional places. One of the only places in town that will even put that on the stage. And she does that for a lot of different genres and puts on great music there for many years. And it's a key staple of the Portland music scene that we all
thanks,
want to
Tom.
stick around and be back and be open again when this whole nonsense is over. So how you doing, Therese? Welcome.
For sure. Good. Thank you. Thanks for having me. And, Tom, this wouldn't happen without you. So big round of applause for you, 15 years. You're the mastermind.
So
I'm just the room.
The only date that I have booked right now in 2021 to do one of these is the 15th birthday, which is February 3rd, Wednesday night, 2021. And we're going to make it special by making it the 4th running Hornpipe Night, which is a specific feature of Irish Night at Blue. We're the only ones who do this. Don't try and fake it and do it in other places. We're the original Hornpipe Night. Number 4. I'm going to force Alden to do a poster, and we're going to sign up everybody who wants to play and have a great big long night of hornpipe. So join us for that, and we'll celebrate the Blue birthday at the same time. I heard you guys are making some upgrades and changes for when we come back.
Oh, Slate. But let's underplay anything because it probably won't be that overwhelming. But yeah, what else are you going to do right now? So
That's a good point.
Yep.
yeah, some things were necessary.
You guys have a nice crowd, Hans and Colleen, some lively chat.
Yeah.
YouTube heavy crowd tonight, which is the opposite of what we normally see. So that's interesting. Unfortunately, I don't think you can see the YouTube comments when you watch the video, but maybe we can figure out how that works. I'm not sure. Maybe if I give you access or something, we'll see what happens. But there's some good ones. There's a brief run of all caps text that
Oh, lots of
great-
shouting.
gratefully- Luckily, that ended very quickly, but it was funny.
It's good.
And a lot of people are fascinated by the socks, I have to say.
The ones hanging on the wall?
The stockings, yeah.
You know, at a lot of times, they're kind of the points of the sock are kind of perfectly on either of your heads at the same time. It's kind of aesthetic and cool. It looks as though there's a
Good.
giant bucolic ballerina dancing on
Yes.
the top of your heads,
A very,
wearing some sort
very
of
large, very
dress.
cold ballerina. Yes. Mhm. Yep.
That's what I like.
That's how we
Never
roll
think
here
in
in
my head anyway.
Springvale.
It's Springville.
Oh.
No rules, right?
Yeah. Like all bets are off down here.
So these guys
How
are
is
out.
the farm going though? I'm so everything looks so beautiful and I want to be a part of this.
Thank you.
So
Yeah,
great
it's because I don't take
job.
pictures of the like garbage covered in tarp. But like you're all very welcome to come down and stand at a safe distance and take a look. But everything's going pretty well. Like we got some crazy snow and wind. We were out of power for
Oh,
24
boy.
hours the other night, which was the first time we've had to really deal with that. So that's was fine. We came through it.
We got
Everybody should get on their website.
Yeah, diet and
Order
flowers.
flowers for next
.com
year.
if you want.
Yeah.
We got some ducks and some chickens that'll keep us entertained in the winter while no flowers are growing. So there's lots of content for you.
Yeah.
That doesn't actually show up on the screen. So what's the website? Diadem.com?
Dietandflowers.com. But if you just go to like my website, it's linked there. If you go to ColleenRainey.com where you find Irish music, then up in the corner hidden it just says like Flower Farm or something like that. And click on that and go see all of the. I should update. I haven't updated in a while.
Well, you've done a wonderful job, Colleen.
I can't wait for you guys to come down and visit. All
I
of you.
know.
I wanted to this summer. I kept it is a drive, but yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yep.
I must say, Colleen, the guitar playing sincerely is quite nice tonight. It's great to hear you play the whole night. It sounds really good.
Thank
Agreed.
you. Thank you.
And thank
That's
you
why I
guys
had to
for
have
doing
this
Sounds
whiskey
wonderful.
cocktail so I could calm down about it.
that Linda Ronstadt song in probably a decade, but that was one of my favorites for a long time. Really nice.
Which one?
Isn't that a Linda Ronstadt tune?
Which one?
Lay Me Down.
Oh no! So that's it's a new one from Loretta Lynn.
Loretta
Oh, it's
Lynn.
Loretta Lynn.
Oh yeah.
I think I
But
had
it
it.
sounds like it's been around forever. Like it's one of those songs that just
That's new.
newish, I think.
I think I got it mixed up.
I
Then.
should do my research.
Yeah.
I should do my research
Like,
before
it
I
was
answer
beautiful in any
answer
case.
that question.
Right.
We learned it from Loretta Lynn and Willie Nelson.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's
That's
that
how
was
we
our
should say
source.
it. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Well, Tom, I came just to hear your spiel. I mean, miss hearing it in person.
Yeah, it's been
we're
a
all
lot
here.
different online, just like all the shows are.
How long are we going to keep it? It's going to be
Oh, it's
2
gonna be
minutes,
very short
5
tonight.
minutes?
But
No?
you'll notice in the chat, folks, in both YouTube and Facebook, I've been posting the link for Hans's PayPal page. So now's a good time for you to take a minute, click on that link. If you're in YouTube, it doesn't show up as an icon, so just copy and paste it into your browser. If the link doesn't work, I say this because I know a lot of our patrons are even older than me and Hans. Need a little help. So copy and paste that link. On Facebook, it should just be a click, and show your love for these, show your appreciation and your love for these two with cold hard cash, because that's the most important way. That's what musicians would like to see. They live on a farm that was built in the 1600s, and they get out in the middle of the winter to crank the car to start, and flowers don't exactly bring in the big bucks. So now's the time to show your support for their lifestyle choices and music. Be kind, be generous. When you think you're being generous, I think you could probably go a little further. That's how I think of it. And then if you have a little bit extra, we'd appreciate it. There's another link I put in at the beginning, and I'll be putting in later again for Blue, for the venue that we're talking about.
No, do the musicians. But yes, we will be great. We will thank you very much, but definitely donate to Colleen and
We would appreciate it. Those who can and
Yes.
who feel like it can also throw a little bit to Blue. That would be fantastic. Trying to get them through this hard time, because Lord knows our government's not going to do it. So we're doing the best we can. And if you don't have any money and you're just watching tonight, we're welcome. Thanks for joining, and we're glad you're here. And no worries, that's okay.
Definitely.
You got a lot of YouTube people out there, so I'm hoping they're all generous, clicking the keys right now and showing what it's all about. Cold hard cash. All right, that's the lame abbreviated version of the bucket speech these days. Anyway, I was going to ask Hans about his brand new album, but I think we've talked a long time already.
You
But-
should still promote the new album.
Why
Come
don't you at
on.
least give him the elevator speech?
It's a very short record, thankfully. It's only 4 tracks, but those 4 tracks are
Quite long.
quite long, so it still counts as a full length.
Like note for note, you get your money's worth.
Yeah. If you're paying by the minute, it's definitely worth it. It's a traditional Japanese shakuhachi album, which was my first instrument, and there's some very old pieces. There's 2 pieces that were more recently composed. One composed by my great-great-grandfather. The shakuhachi, by the way, has been in my family for 6 generations, and so my great-great-grandfather composed one of the pieces. My father composed one, and then there's 2 traditional ones as well.
And it's all played on this incredible instrument
right,
that
yeah.
was built by your great-great-grandfather,
Right.
who is also Hans's namesake. So most of you would probably know this already, but Hans's full name is Hans Abudol. And
I can't even say it that well. That was amazing.
stop. It's the whiskey. No, and so, like, you know, when your mom was like, hey, we have another boy, what do we call him? They were like, I know. Let's make it easy on him in second grade. Let's call him
What
Hans
could go
Abudol.
wrong?
And so, but his, you know, it's an incredible legacy that you do carry is your great-great-grandfather's name and ability to play this instrument. And so it's an instrument that he came into this summer that was built by that very same Hans Abudol. So
Yeah.
that's pretty special too. And it sounds, I am a white person. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but it means that I can't discern between, like when he's playing, it sounds stunning to me. And there are bits and pieces that I have learned to recognize now after hearing them over and over again. But even I could hear the difference in that instrument when you started playing it. So even white people can hear the difference, is what I like for you all to know.
Yeah, so the album's called Hankyo, which means reverberation. And it's available now.
And you can find it, it's linked on your own website.
It is.
Hanzaraki.com will take you to where you need to go.
As we say in
Link in
Japan,
the,
it is
in
Shin
the text
Hatsubai.
of both events, if you want, directly to the site for the Shakuhachi album as well as Hans.
Yep.
Has
Cool.
You guys probably have a few things together you can put out. And these guys also play in a quartet that's played down at Irish Night a few times called Josephine County
Yeah.
with Matt Shipman and Erica Shipman. Darling Corey. So we're looking forward to the day we can have all four of you back again, you know, standing. You're never going to get 6 feet apart on that stage. I guess you
No,
did.
right. Right.
But looking forward to having you guys all back in the room in every format possible,
Yeah.
alone and together, and everybody else out there as well. We miss you a lot, and
So
can't wait
much.
to be back. And I'm really encouraged by seeing the news of the rollouts of the vaccines in some other
Yeah.
countries. Got to come here very quick. We all got to be patient and take our turn. And in the meantime, we got to be safe. Don't be stupid.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say it. You know, wash your hands, stay distant. It's not time to go back yet. In fact, we
Right.
got to button it down a little more, get through the next few months, or else they're going to get worse and worse. But things are looking up, and I'm going to be positive these days because it's getting better. We'll see what happens.
If you need positivity, just look over Tom's shoulder. It's pretty cute.
What's going on over time?
Little buddy.
Mom, put it back.
Just has a little, stuffed
I just put him
animal
there to
looking
terrorize
over
the
his shoulder.
cats.
Oh,
They
look
step,
at that.
step gingerly around him when they get up to their perch there, but they're very zoom shy. I can't get them to make an appearance yet. All right, we're getting silly now. It's time to get back to the music. You guys
All
ready?
That's what I
So-
do.
Well,
Thank you.
so much for
It's good
joining
to
us,
see
guys.
everybody.
Good to see you.
Bye,
too.
Travis.
Bye. Thank you.
And if you guys are ready, we'll
Yep, we're ready.
throw it back to you. Everybody, please welcome back Hans and Colleen. That's about like that. Got it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thanks very much.
I thought we were going 3. Sorry.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Therese. Gosh, it was
Oh,
good to see you.
It's so nice to see.
That was
It's so
really
nice to see
Yeah.
both of them. I kind of wish
Yeah.
everybody that was on this
I
right now
know.
could just be like a little, so we could see your face.
Yeah, yeah.
Send us a selfie,
the technology will
right?
catch up with our needs.
With our needs, right? I know. I do have to say though, just Tom has been doing a heroic job, and I know he would fuss at me if I was saying, but he's been doing a heroic job keeping this thing going from March, when we all like immediately pivoted and we were like, cool, yeah, we can totally do this, into like the summer slog months that are always difficult to get people inside. And then as we come through autumn again, like this is just, it's, so I'm glad that he's taking a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
So that we can come back at it in February.
Yeah. It's an unbelievable amount of work. I
It's-
mean, just
yeah.
keeping that rolling like that.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
astonishing. So thank you, Tom.
Thanks, Tom. We're going to the one after.
Oh, right.
Remember? We're doing that in D. Oh, D. We're doing this one in D, you guys, if you need to tune. There is a misconception about a lyric or two in this song that I would like to clarify. There is a reference to a ginger lady, and I would like to point out that that actually means a hangover, and it wouldn't be the first time I've been compared to a hangover. So,
For those of you who are super fans like me, you already know what she's talking about. And there's, of course, a song written by Shane MacGowan of the Pogues, one of my all-time favorite bands. And this is one of my all-time favorite songs.
and hello to everybody in Seattle and Portland who has ever been part of KMRIA or seen it or heard
Yeah.
of it. Just
This
miss
was supposed to
you.
be a KMRIA
Yep.
this past weekend. We were going to be doing our first show in forever.
It'll happen.
It'll happen. It'll happen. We'll
again.
get it together.
Yep. So sending lots of love to everyone out
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I miss you guys. This is called A Rainy Night in Soho. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been loving you a long time. Down all the years, down all the days. And I've cried for all your trouble. Smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all your charms. I sang you all my sorrows. You told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady at my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. But now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
Well, we're going to do a song for you now from the great Cyril Tawney. Cyril Tawney's biggest hit was the Grey Funnel Line. If you trad folks out there are into songs at all, you've probably heard the Grey Funnel Line. Cyril Tawney was a submariner.
Was he?
Yeah. And so he wrote this song about his time in Malta.
Oh.
It's a song called Sammy's Bar.
Just a couple more.
What's that?
Just a couple more seconds.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm no Carrie Novotny. Takes me a minute.
What does Carrie know about guitars anyway?
Literally everything. Literally everything. I need this dongle here. We doing this in C? Yeah.
Yes, we do. Yeah, anyway, Sammy's Bar. This is, I just think it's a lovely song. There was a lyric that was changed. Martin Simpson changed a lyric for the sticklers out there. I read this interview with Cyril Tawney where he said he was trying to make a new term catch on. He wanted to coin the term real love, my real love instead of my true love.
Oh, okay.
And it
And they were
didn't.
all, that's not a thing.
Yeah, it didn't. It wasn't a thing.
It's not a thing.
Heather. So, Martin Simpson changed the word to, instead of my real love, to Marina.
Interesting.
Yeah. Which is, nice enough.
Lovely.
Yeah. So, here's Sammy's Bar. I went down to Sammy's Bar, hey, the last boats are leaving by the shores at Pietà, on the way the Daiso. And Marina, she was there, say the last boats are leaving. There was sand all in her hair, all the way the Daiso. How did sand get in your hair? Hey, the last boats are leaving. Johnny, he put it there, all the way the Daiso. He's a better man by far. Say the last boats are leaving. He drives a Yankee car, all the way the Daiso. 14 days I drank no wine. Hey, the last boats are leaving. Save it for that love of mine, all the way the Daiso. Till one day in Paula Square, hey, the last boats are leaving. At a paper I did stare, all the way the Daiso. Johnny tried to help him bend, hey, the last boats are leaving. For my love it was the end, all the way the Daiso. I'm going back to Savvy's bar, hey, the last boats are leaving. I don't need a Yankee car, all the way the Daiso. Thank you very much.
Well, we have a couple more for you anyway.
We have a couple more.
More.
Two more.
Yep. Nope. Sorry. Tuning.
Again, kind of going with the newish songs to us,
Yep.
but songs that we adore nonetheless. And this is a newish song.
It's one of those songs that when it comes on in the shuffle of the, you can't help but sing along.
It's true.
So we should have handed out lyric sheets to everybody.
I thought about it halfway through that last song because that's such a sing along, and I forgot to say, sing along.
Well, let's do it again.
Yeah,
Okay.
good idea.
That's great. I'll tune it.
But it is a little confusing because haul away the Daiso. What is a Daiso? The Daiso.
Isn't that a vacuum cleaner? Oh, that's a Dyson, right?
Nice one.
That's what I figured it was. Put away the vacuum cleaner. It's
Yeah.
sitting in the middle of the hall.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The Daiso was the little boat that would take the sailors back to their ships,
Like a dinghy.
like a dinghy.
Oh, very cool.
Anyway,
How about that?
sorry. So that has nothing to do with this next song, which is called "The World Spins Madly On." There's also like a few of these songs that feel somewhat appropriate for our current state.
And this might be one of them.
This might be
yeah.
one of them. The World Spins Madly
Madly
On.
On.
Yeah, it's a song by one of our favorite groups called The Weepies.
Zeb Tannen, yeah. The
Thank you,
Weepies.
Ezra Holbrook, for introducing me to this band.
Yep. Yep.
Got some great music off of Ez over the years.
And I'm not done. I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get my money's worth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
How does this one go? Oh wait.
Woke up and wished that I was dead, with an aching in my head, lay motionless in bed. Thought of you, where you've gone, let the world spin madly on. And everything that I said I'd do, make the world brand new, take the time for you. Just got lost, slipped right through the door, and the world spins madly on. I watch the days go by, I always say goodbye. I watch the stars through my windowsill. The whole world is moving, and I'm standing still. Woke up, wished that I was dead, with an aching in my head, lay motionless in bed. Night is here, the day is gone, and the world spins madly on. Thought of you, and where you're gone, and the world spins madly on. And the world spins madly on. And the world spins madly on. Leon, 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 Leon. Well, thank you again. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Therese. Thanks, Blue, for having done this for many, many years and for having us back
Yeah,
at all.
right? And also inviting our large ballerina friend
Right?
to join us.
Yeah.
Happy actual birthday to Will Woodson.
Happy
by the
birthday
way.
to Will Woodson.
Happy birthday, Will.
Yeah. We're going to finish up
Yep,
with
we
a
have
song.
one more song for you.
Let's see. Any shameless plugs we need?
No.
No.
I'm
no.
done with the
Yeah,
shameless
okay,
plugging.
good.
I'm exhausted.
Well, it is no secret that, I love the Pogues, but I also love a much reviled band called Chumbawamba, and they get a bad rap because of that one song.
That bought them all a summer house.
I
So
know.
they're laughing all the way to the bank.
Yeah. But they're also, they're sound chaps, from what I
They're,
understand.
as I understand it as well.
So anyway, this is one of their songs called Sing About Love, and we're going to leave you with that.
And thank you. Thanks for celebrating with us tonight and all week, everyone.
I don't want to sing about anger and hate. I don't want to sing about fear and defeat. I don't want to sing about the things I always sing about. I wish I could sing about love. I wish I could sing about love. I don't want to sing about war and greed. I don't want to sing about those we can't feed. I don't want to sing about the things I always sing about. I wish I could sing about love. I wish I could sing about love. I don't want to sing about suffering and pain. I don't want to sing for another campaign. I don't want to sing about the things I always sing about. I wish I could sing about love. I wish I could sing about love. I don't want to sing about rights and wrongs. I don't want to sing all the same old songs. But I'll sing them and sing them till there's no need to sing them. And then I can sing about love. And then I can sing about love. So I'll sing them and sing them till there's no need to sing them. And then I can sing about love. Then I can sing about love. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you very much for hanging out tonight.
I don't know. What do you guys think? You want to hear one more?
One more.
I tried. That was underwhelming, wasn't it?
No, that was great. Thank you.
Beautiful stuff. Give us one more.
All right.
Welcome back, folks. Takes too long to find the spotlight button.
I often, one of the knocks on Hans Araki is that he has a great ear for AM radio, and that is true. I grew up on, we had probably 3-4 records in the house growing up, and so other than that, it was the radio, and I liked the oldies station quite a bit, which was called KBSG in Seattle.
Yeah.
Seattle's Golden Oldies. And, there's a precious few number of songs out there, popular songs, that have flute. This is one of them, from a group called Canned Heat.
I can't believe we're doing this.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Give me your tempo first, please. Okay.
I'm going up the country, baby, don't you want to go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you want to go? I'm going to some place where I've never been before. I'm going where the water tastes like wine. I'm going where the water tastes like wine. We can jump in the water, stay drunk all the time. I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. I'm gonna leave the city, got to get away. All this fussing and fighting, man, you know I sure can't stay. Now baby, pack your leaving trunk, you know we got to leave today. Just exactly where we're going I cannot say, but we might even leave the USA. 'Cause it's a brand new game and I just wanna play. No use of you running or screaming and crying, 'cause you got a home as long as I've got mine.
All
There we
right.
have it.
That was excellent. Great
Thanks.
cover. That one I know from a long time ago. Good job. I was wondering when you were going to get to that one with the flute intro.
Right?
Matter of time.
Very lovely. Thanks again to everybody who joined us online and YouTube and on Facebook and showed up in the chat. Give a little crap to these guys and have a little fun.
Somebody take
Nice to see your
screenshots
names.
of the YouTube ones in case we can't see it. Somebody take full screenshots so we can.
Yeah. Another idea I had after it was too late. I thought I could probably record it somehow, but you know, I'm known for having great ideas after they're irrelevant. Kind of a hallmark of mine. And thanks to Therese for joining us.
Oh, thank you.
Blue, our favorite home away from home.
Yeah.
Good to be here with everybody.
All right. Thanks mostly to Hans and Colleen for giving us a wonderful show. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks
guys.
for hanging out with us.
Yeah.
Hope you had a great birthday, Hans, and celebrate for the rest of the week. Happy birthday to Will Woodson. He must be one of those shy Facebook dudes. So I had no idea it was his birthday. But congrats, buddy. And everybody be nice to each other out there.
Yeah.
I like to say, take care of each other, be cool, be nice, and be kind. And it's going to get better from here. It's always just going to get better. And we'll see you all in person again someday before too
Amen.
long. So
Yeah.
until that time, we'll see you next week. We have a great young fiddler named Christine Hedden coming next week. She was supposed to be playing with Quivino Farrell a few weeks ago, but seeing that he's in Ireland and she's over in the States pre-COVID, they didn't get to do the show together. So check it out. It's going to be really nice fiddling. And then one last show on the 23rd of December with the wonderful Sean Gavin and whatever special guest he has kicking up. I think he's bubbling with his dad and his brother, who are both excellent Irish musicians. So who knows what he has in store. I hope some good stuff. Maybe he'll just play pipes and that'll make me happy.
Yep.
In any case, thanks again, guys. You have a great night and a happy birthday. Good to see you,
Thanks.
Therese. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
night,
Good night,
folks.
everybody.